Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I'm putting graphics. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create this awesome church for your design auto in your PixelLab. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, don't forget to drop a comment. You get so YouTube can recommend this video to others. Like and share, please. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is my image size. That is my normal image size, the custom. That is 1280 to 1280. My height and width. So you get so now without watching the video long, let's quickly just get started. So I've imported all my resources. These are all my resources. Now I'll be dropping all the resources of this video in the description. So you get so we start from the church logo first. So I don't have the exact I don't want to replicate the exact design. Actually I got these resources from ZZ graphics. So now this is now come over to your color filter now. Just have to increase this your contrast to something like 10. So you get okay, 9 will be reasonable. So once you don't increase it, I don't have to reduce it. Once you reduce it, now use your position tool. It's very important. Anything you're designing, you're required to use your position tool and also your zoom tool. So you get so you have to move this like this. Okay, now once you move it like we have to write the name. That is a word with itself. World Faith Revival Ministry. I get okay, World Revival Faith Ministry. So something like that. Just come over to your text. World Revival Faith Ministry. Drop it like this. Like this. World Revival Faith Ministry. So you get so make sure you stay to the end of this video. So once I'm done doing that, I'll go over to your phone. I have to choose a good and a bold font. So you get this you're going to be using a matte to me black. Now you come over to your line spacing. You have to reduce your line spacing. You come over to your reduce your line okay, sorry. First of all, reduce your text size first. So once you reduce now, you have to drop it like this. Reduce it again, reduce it again. So what I don't doing that, you come over to your line spacing, increase your line spacing to something like this. So what I don't doing that now, you come over to your color. We are going to be color picking the background. Oh, 2%. We're going to be color picking the background. So just click on so color pick this out. So you drop it like this so you can see. Okay. Let's just check out the main design. I have to color pick a dark brown. So something okay, darken it a little. So something like this. Now, after I'm done doing this, you have to drop this like this. So the next element now is going to be this text. So you get so you don't have to drop this for sponsorship. Sponsorship. You just come over to this place. For sponsorship, call. So you get something like this. After I've done, I got come over to your font now. You choose the same matte Tommy black we used before. Once I'm done using that font, I come over to your text size, you reduce it, then increase it. So you get so something like this. So after I'm done doing this now, you can just come over to your color and choose that same dark brown we choose before. So something like this. Also have to recopy this and put the name. You can see Gabriel. So you just put the name. So you just put it like this. Okay, Andrew. So you can choose to put any phone number you get. So you don't compulsory put the same phone number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the first one. So the other guy now will be something like Alex. We have to move like this. Okay, sorry, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So change it Alex Alexander. So like this now you click on a good check mark. So once I don't do that, come over to your align. You take it to this place now so you can see something like that. So you have to drop it here. So we're done with that part now. We have to be bringing that is this following center. Okay, you can choose to use this guy here or choose to use this guy. So you guess it depends what you want to use. Okay, let's check this or okay, it depends too. So I'm going to delete this guy. Once I delete this guy, I'm going to be making use of this. Just have to come over to your text color, enable it. So something like this. So now just turn it off. So you centralize it and hide it and make some tests. So you get, so just come to this guy here, follow fellowship center. So just be like this. As you drop it here, you come over to your font. You use that same font. Okay, no, Gotham bold. Come over to this color now. You choose this yellow. Okay, something not yellow. This guy, but I have to make it light. So something like now you have to reduce this. Then once you're making use of it, make sure you're zooming in so you get, very important. You have to reduce this now. After I'm done doing this now, I also have to recopy it and we type in La Primary School. So La, La Secondary, La Secondary School Ikere. So this is the text now. You can see it over here now. Just come back to your text and then you have to reduce it so you get. So something like this. Now so I'm doing now, come over to your font now. You choose a bold font. So sorry for the background noise. So I'm going to be making use of this font now. Okay, once I make use of that font, now you can choose to increase it a little. So you get. So after I'm doing that, I have to copy this follow sheet and I be typing Thursday. So you put the date so you get. So once you do this Thursday now, you have to drop it here. Move this up. So after that, you have to recopy it and put 23 January. So 25 January 2024. So you don't have to bring this guy here now. You come over to your text size, you increase it. Use your position to take it up. So 8 o'clock p.m. So you have to arrange it like this. Then you copy this and do GMT so you get. So what I don't this now, you move this here like this, and so what I don't doing that, use your position to now to take this like this. So you get, so something like this. Sorry for the background. So after I don't have to zoom out. So you can see now, so I'm going to be working on the image. So something like that. So the next step, I'll come over to this side now. I'll just be typing the believer culture. So you get, so just come over to this side now. So something like this, the believers culture, the believers. So you just put this apostrophe believers culture. So something like this. After you're done doing that, now you just come over to your color now. Have to be color picking the believer. So you get, don't have to drop it like this, but move this out small. So something like this. So you can see this font isn't good now. So I'm going to be making use of a good font and good and a bold font. I downloaded in that font.com. So the font is called Bubble Boom. So you get, so this is the font here now. I will drop this font in my Telegram channel. So I guess you guys know how to unzip font and extract it to your PixelLab folder. So you guys, if you don't know how to do it, you can just check my videos on my YouTube channel. So you just check the video, you see how to download and install custom font to your PixelLab. So you guys, I have to drop this bubble zoom here. So this is the font. Now you can see how this is looking. Once I drop it, I'll have to reduce it and centralize it. So you can see something like that. I'm centralizing now. So for this color now, I have to darken it a little. So you just move it like this inside. So you can see something like this now, and I'll have to increase it. So I have to increase it like this. After I'm done doing that, I'll come over to my line spacing. You can see something like this. After I come over to my line spacing, I'll increase it. Then come over to my position. I have to drop it like so. You can see how this design is going and how it's looking. Very simple and catchy. So you get. So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Very important, so that we can be dropping cool and steady videos. So you get, so the next guy now, make sure all the elements you have worked on, please make sure you lock it. It's very important. So lock this guy, this guy. So I'm going to bring the background to the front. Okay, I'll just hide this main flare for now. So this is the background. I'll have to click on it. Now once I click on this, now come over to my relative size. So you get, increase this guy to 100. also for this guys. So once I'm done with this, I just have to centralize it. I also come over to my color filter. Oh, got to touch something there, so you guess I'll hide this other guy face. Touch something, so you get, so you touch something, so something like this now. So you can see how this is looking. So we'll just drop this like this. So the next guy now we're going to be bringing to the, okay, sorry. So the next guy we're going to be bringing to the front now is something like a another part. Sorry, this guy now. What you don't need to do, I just drop it here, increase him. Once you increase it now, you drop in there, you come over to your opacity. You just have to make something that look like something that is blurry. You can see you don't have to reduce it like this. You blend it. Let's drop it in 60. So you can see something that after I don't do it, then I have to lock it. So the next element now, that is this guy. I'll have to click on this guy now. Okay, first of all, this guy will go to the back. So I have to send this guy to the back, then take it front to this other guy here. So for this guy now, I have to come back to my text color, enable it. I'll be choosing, okay, yeah, so something like this. So after I'm done doing this, you can see, so you can just try to increase your text size, your font, and others. So you get, just come over to this, sorry, not position to. So you drop this like this, come over to your relative size, increase it a little. So you can see something like this. You can see how this design is looking very simple and beautiful. So for this Thursday, January something something, you have to drop it like this. Then for the 8 p.m. and the GMT, this GMT now have to come down. So you just need to arrange it. It's not all about designing, but make sure you arrange it. That is alignment in graphic design. So you get, also for this 8 p.m. now, I have to come over to your text size, increase it. Okay. I have to take this up a little. So like I said before, make sure you are zooming so that you can see what you are working on. So you can see how this is looking very, very, very beautiful. Also for this GMT, sorry, just have to move it like this. So you can see this now. So I'm just done with this exact part now. So you get, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's very important. So you get, so don't have to use online spacing and adjust this inside a little, a little, little by little, little by little. So you get. We are done with this guy for now. So I'm going to be saving this picture as image and save it as project. So just come over to this save as image and save it as image. I'm going to be making use of our app called PSCC. So you get. So I'll save this as project and I'll be saving it as Believers Church Flyer. So yes, once I'm done saving it, I'm going to go over to my PSCC. Jesus. I'll go over to my PSCC now. So I have to go back. I'm going to be importing the image and I'm going to be adding a lens flare. So I installed mine in PixelLab. Now I have to scroll down. That is to the last part. So once I go to the last part, so okay, scroll down. So this is it now. We'll have to wait for this image to load. So you get, okay, so something, so this is the picture now. I'll have to increase it like this. Once I'm done doing this now, so you can see how this design is looking right now, but we'll just have to add a lens flare. So we'll have to click on this layer. I showed this in our previous video. You click on your plus icon, I click on photo library, photo, so yeah. So now I'm going to be locating our lens flare. I stored mine in download, so you get, so I'll go over to download now. Okay, so not this download, the other download in my SD card. So I'll have to look for, okay, so this is the other download now. Yeah, so this is it. I'll have to scroll now, look for my lens flare. So you get, so please, okay, So you just scroll once you see your lens flare. So okay, sorry. So now this is my lens flare. I don't have to click on add. So you can see this guy over here now. We'll have to increase him, but we can't just drop it like this so he gets. So once you just click on your good check mark, you come over to click on this lens flare. Lens flare. So once you click on this layer option, you just come over, change it to overlay. So once you change it to screen. So now we'll change it to screen overlay. Okay, no. So if we can change it to overlay, we'll come over to this our transform tool. Let's just check out something. Yeah, so once we drop it like this now, just come over to this place, reduce our opacity. Wow. So you can see something has to drop opacity to be in 50. So you get. So this is 50 now. I have to drop it like this. So we can choose to import another image. So just come over to this, or you can let's duplicate layer. Click on done. Now to duplicate layer, come over to this part. Now come over to blue, change it to screen. Increase your this thing. So come over to your transform. Now I'm going to be placing this down. We just checked something before. So you can see something like this. You can see how this is designed, looking very simple and neat. So you can just come over to this place now, reduce the opacity a little. So you can see, you have to touch it, blend it. So you can see something. Okay, if I can just click on here, click on my transform. Sorry, I'm checking something. I will have to increase this guy here. So you just have to work on this. So you can see something like this, but we just have to just blend it a little. Sorry. So we will be click on this transform now. Just drag it to this boat. So you can see something like so. We're done with this video, guys. If you love this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, don't forget to drop a comment. So let's save this design now to our gallery. Just have to click on this done. Once you click on done, you will click on save. So this is design. Now click on this share icon down. You can see it now. For those of you that don't know how to, I keep repeating this in my video. So just click on this share icon. Once you click on save to gallery, then you click the image you want to save. So this is the image and I'll save it as PNG. So I'll click on OK. So you can see publishing. So once it's done publishing, now you can check out the video the flyer design in your gallery. So this is all for today. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in our next video.